What the holy heck is going on out here? I'm heading back to Framemaker's house right now for some more modifications. Well, hello Julian. Shall we try again? Look, you got a bike just like mine.
I know. Except yours is red.
Well, you got a red tank. We should put that red tank on this red frame. All this fancy equipment he makes. How did you do on your reconfiguration over here?
You can see well, it's all buried underneath the tank. But there's new shock mount.
Oh.
It's all triangulated in.
Yep.
And then I've got a new cross tube that my rear engine mounts are going to attach to. So you can see it.
Yep.
Dips down under the shock.
The engine mounts that you just had made. Sure.
Oh, the engine mounts I haven't had made yet. I just had the shock mount made.
It really looks good.
Thanks.
Are these more send parts, or are these the ones that were in the package from last time?
Those were in the package from last time.
Uh-huh. The management is going to let Julian take a lunch break for 10 or 15 minutes. Here's a little close-up of some of the fabrication and handiwork. Julian's fabbing up and all this bracketing here for the rear subframe. Of course, the engine had to be put in, and he said there was interference of the air filter down in here, so he's had to make some adjustments. Of course, the trials and tribulations of custom bike building, right, Professor?
Yes, exactly.
Moving on to the next victim here.
So see these two brackets?
Yes.
I'm going to use two instead of one.
Okay.
On this bracket, I'm going to increase the gauge thickness.
Oh wow, look at that.
To this next thicker material.
Yep.
And then on this piece, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to increase it to this thickness.
Why do you have to do all that?
Because yours is going to have much more load driven into it because the suspension's attached to it.
Oh. Not because I'm a faster racer dude?
No.
Because you need the thicker metal?
Yeah, I want to make your bike heavier than mine so that I have an advantage when we're racing.
Alright, so when we drag race, you got me in the quarter mile.
The other thing I'm going to do, since we have to remake this guy, I'm going to make this out of a heavier gauge material.
Wow, okay.
So everything is just going to be beefed up.
Got it. Do I have to pay for two brackets then instead of one? Because I don't know if I can afford it.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. I'm going home.
In fact, have you paid for those yet?
I think I paid for them.
Okay.
We got a sheet that says paid.
Okay.
I think.
Then you're probably good.
We can double check.
All right.
Julian's broken into the send parts here. Doing some test fitting over there. Look at that. Compliments to the designer. Huh?
Woohoo.
Give him a raise. What are you doing, Julian?
Making notes.
Making notes. Why do you have to make notes?
Just like my dad, we both have this family trait where we have really good memories,
Yeah.
just not for a very long time.
Yeah, well, yeah, mine's about 2 minutes on a good day.
Yeah.
This is your CAD system, right?
This is just my reminder system.
Yeah. So I came over with a rolling motorcycle, and I guess you could call this progress. I'm taking it home in pieces. There we go. We did make progress today. There's our slow motion shot.